today we are talking about all those things flying around in the sky. Because I'm sure if I say the word, then something's going to pop up at the bottom where Google feels the need to correct my information on something, I'm sure. So, all those things flying around in the sky. What is my opinion on all of this? First of all,
those ones that people don't know what they are?
Yes. those hold on, let's see, what would be a good acronym for UFO that's
They haven't made a determination.
What would be UFO without saying UFO?
It's an object of indeterminate origin.
There you go. Okay, so those objects of indeterminate origin, the OIOs? No. The OIOs that are flying around in the sky. Sorry. Oh, guys, we could do a video literally every half an hour or an hour on stuff that's going on in crazy land, and we would still not be able to keep up. All right. The IOIs in the sky. Here's the thing. First of all of this stuff flying around that's from the government, I know that we started it over in other countries and all of that from what I've heard. But if I was president, I would be doing things correctly, but those things would not be flying around. They should have been gone first. That's just my little, I know what's best and I'm always right. 2 cents on that, right, dear?
Yeah. She likes to think that.
But here's the thing. All the other objects of, what did we call them?
Objects of indeterminate origin.
Yes.
So OIO, you can think OIO.
So, okay, so here's what the rest of those are. I know that there are military people coming on the news saying that they have seen these things and they have witnessed these things and all of that. Here is my 2 cents on that. I personally do not believe in other people and other species floating around in the skies. I just don't think it is.
You mean from other heavenly bodies?
Yes. I don't believe that at all. But I do believe that people have seen these things, and I personally know people who have seen these things, and they swear up and down that something was going on. And here's what I think it is. I personally think it's demonic activity that is just preparing the world for an explanation when the rapture of the church happens. Now, I know we just lost like half of the viewers there, and that's okay. But for the rest of you that are staying, here's the thing. Demons can take physical form. And so I just think that's what it is. And I just think that it's just a setup so that when the rapture of the church happens, people will have an explanation of where everyone went. I personally am not afraid. I'm a Christian. I know when I die, I'm going to heaven, so I'm not afraid that I'm going to end up in a cookbook. Think anybody will get that reference? And so if you got that reference, put it in the description below. But, you know.
It's a cookbook! Oh, sorry.
Would you try to save me if you found out it was a cookbook?
Yes.
There was hesitation.
Yes. I don't need a cookbook. I already have one.
Oh, very good. Our Dining on a Dime cookbook. But anyway, guys, that's what I personally think it is. We know that people do not come back from the dead and talk to people, stuff like that. I personally just think it's demonic activity. I think when people have those kinds of experiences, it's also just demonic activity. And so really, that's my explanation for it. This is just my personal opinion. There is no biblical evidence of it. I just want to make that perfectly clear. This is just my best guess. I could be 100% wrong. Really, in the big scheme of things, I really don't think it matters. But just so you know, it is just my guess. There's no biblical evidence for it. But I just see no real evidence of other beings in the world. Do you see evidence of other beings in outer space?
No. And for me, I just think, I don't know what it is. And mainly I think if I'm the government, I'm going to go find out before I start shooting at it to see what it is. And other than that, I don't see a reason to be too concerned. I do think that if the government's job is to keep the country safe, so they need to go to where these things are and see what they are before they start shooting at them. Because it could be, it could be a weapon from another country, and if you shoot it, it could detonate it. So, we have to be careful on that stuff. But other than that, if it's the kind of stuff Tara was talking about, I don't have a reason to be concerned, and it's not super relevant to my life in that case.
And I mean, it was a little disconcerting when we found out it was only 100 or so miles away. The first sighting was 100 miles away or so from where we live.
Normally,
a little disconcerting. I'll be honest, but I wasn't afraid.
Yeah, normally I wouldn't have even paid much attention to the story, except that I said Billings, Montana. That's like 2 hours from us.
Yeah.
What?
So it probably flew right over us and we didn't even know it. And so, well, I'm sure it did actually, because the way it went south then, it probably did.
We weren't even wearing our hard hats.
So anyway, that's what I think about those things that are happening. Listen, it's just going to be getting worse and worse until Christ comes back. The Bible has already told us that. So we're just along for the ride. As Christians, we're along for the ride. We're here to tell people about Jesus. And, that's why we're giving away free Bibles. If you want a free Bible, the description below, we will send you one with no obligation at all, no cost, anything. If you would like it, it's in the description below. But that's my explanation. That's what I think about that whole thing going on for that. Man, we're going to have a lot of things going on, aren't we? How are they going to know which thing going around we're talking about? Go watch this video next, guys. livingonadime.com.